How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Thank you for clicking on the video. Hope you enjoy the video. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to be working on my 2017 Axys here. Going to be doing a whole bunch of stuff to it. In this video is just going to be the powder coating for it. So we're going to tear apart quite literally about half the sled. Like half of it's going away to get powder coated. The other half will just be sitting here for the next couple weeks. It is June 7th today, so I imagine it'll probably be back together in roughly four or 5 weeks kind of thing, so we will see. But until then, enjoy the time lapse, enjoy the video, and I'll talk to you when I have this thing a little more tore apart. Okay, so, yeah, I told you a lot would happen. So, I didn't do it on video, but I took the seat off. That part is gonna get powder coated, the seat support, and also I took the rear bumper off as well. The two sides are getting powder coated, and then the end caps for the carbon fiber part are also getting powder coated. Let's go like this here. Let's see. So this piece here, this is the carbon fiber bit that I was talking about. It goes in between the, it's kind of the grab handle for the rear bumper. For those of you that don't know the sled's very good. So, yeah, so that's kind of how it looks right now. Rear suspension's all out and tore apart. The running boards are off, the bumper's off, the seat support's off. And then next I'm going to be taking the A-arms and spindles apart because those are getting coated as well. So, yeah, it's gonna be a very lightweight model snowmobile for a little while here on the stand. So, yeah, let's get going on that, I guess. I ended up destroying the, where is it here, the spindle. There's two plastic bushings that go inside of the spindle right there, and I ended up destroying them, getting them out, so I'll have to order new ones of those, but I'm not really sure if you can really get them out without destroying them. I've never taken them out before, but they're very tight in there. They're hard to get out, so alright, so it's been some time since I filmed the last clip. These A-arms here have little plastic bushings in them. Look like this. And they're extremely hard to get out. They're really similar. They're super thin. They're really similar to what was in the spindles. But anyway, I built this little piece on my lathe. It's basically like a little press piece. So this bushing, let's see here, will be in like that. This piece fits inside, just barely. And then once it gets too far in to hit or to tap on, where did it go? So once it gets too far to tap on, I just take a extension here for a socket and it just fits right inside. And then you just, I can't get it out, there we go, pushes it through. So, see it fits, come on camera. There we go, see it fits just inside. So, works pretty good actually, and then that fits just inside of that like that, and then you just press that through. So, there's all the parts that's getting powder coated. You're gonna have to wait a little bit longer in the video to find out what exactly the colors are. So that's gonna do it for now, and I'm gonna film the next part, I guess, in probably about 3 weeks. They had a custom order the one color for me, so it apparently will be here in about 10 days. And so yeah, we'll be waiting for that, and then they need to actually do the work. So and then yeah, so hopefully roughly 3 weeks. At the most I'll have all the parts back. For you guys it'll be just 1 second. Alright, here we are 2 weeks later. Got all the parts, and I've made a couple changes to the audio recording on the camera here, so hopefully the audio is better for the next part of this video here. I had a lot of problems with it in the first half, so we're gonna get going here on some time lapse and get this thing started back together. Alright, all finished. Got this running board on, and so far things are looking really nice. So I'm not going to do the skid yet. I need to wait for the other rail to be finished powder coating, and then I'll be able to put all that stuff together. And same with the rear bumper, stuff like that. So first person to guess what the other color is that the other half of the sled is going to be will get pinned down in my comment section. So if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Consider subscribing. There's obviously far more to do on this sled. It's going to get a full custom wrap to kind of match the powder coating and everything. So it's going to look really cool when it's done. I cannot wait. And yeah, this winter is going to be absolutely crazy. It's going to be fun, going to be awesome. I'm going to be pushing myself even more than last year. Last year it was far more crazy than I thought it ever would have been. So hopefully this year kind of carries on the same momentum and we get some crazy stuff done, some skills honed in and all that stuff. So next video should be out in probably a week or so. A week or so. Yeah, after this one goes out. So keep an eye out for that one. Get the bell on, all that cool stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.